Hello, my name is Melissa Allen, and this is my presentation on strategic planning, how to bridge relationships between university counseling staff and my organization. I am currently a student servicing counselor team lead in the College of Doctoral Studies for Grand Canyon University. I'd like to share a bit of the background on how important relationship building among counseling staff is for a for-profit university, and why it should be a focus for management. First, we pride ourselves on being a leading innovator in a traditional and online university with affordable tuition that incorporates a Christian worldview. There are two major roles in university counseling staff. First is the university counselor, which is responsible for the enrollment process. Next is the student servicing counselor that handles both academics and finance for all students. Each of these roles has a specific goal to achieve, and once the goal has been reached, the student is passed off to another counselor. Communication is limited, and the knowledge is contained to the specific role. While each role has specific goals to achieve, the expectation should be for all staff to aid in the student getting to graduation. Providing a strong mission statement can be the leading factor in what draws in a potential student. Our mission statement is, the university prepares learners to become global citizens, critical thinkers, effective communicators, and responsible leaders by providing academically challenging, values-based curriculum from the context of our Christian heritage. The overall goal is to provide affordable education for all. The SWOT analysis will focus on how to bridge the missing links between the university counselors. Some of our weaknesses are the lack of training. University counselors and student servicing counselors have different roles as well as different measurements. How do we bridge this gap? Increase product knowledge for all counseling staff. This includes compliance, federal guidelines, and Title IV regulations. This can be done by setting up weekly huddles, team meetings, and department trainings. The ability to use systems like Zoom teleconferencing, instant messaging, and face-to-face meetings allows for counseling staff to build stronger communication skills and product knowledge sharing. Next would be the lack of accessibility for a traditional campus setting. While other universities are offering off-site classes for a classroom environment, our campus only allows this type of learning environment for local students. Lastly, it would be the for-profit perception that our main focus is only on profit generating, when our actual goal is to put our profits back into our university. What are our strengths? We do offer low-cost tuition, and our ground campus has not raised their tuition in many years. How did we do this? We did it by retaining our students. We also got our alumni to return and also give us referrals. Those are happy students. We did this by creating new and exciting curriculum, the introduction of new programs that are marketed to alumni in order to pursue the next level degree. This allows our brand to shine, which again is affordable education at a Christian university. Our current leadership style is very numbers driven and often expects employees to hit numbers that are done with specific metrics. These are called KPIs, Key Performance Indicators, which are vastly different between university counselors and student servicing counselors. The most important should be retaining our student, and it should be weighed the same for all. Where in other areas, we can have role specifics. The best model for management would be a feedback control model, which would allow management to not only meet strategic goals, but to also set standards among their staff. This assists in monitoring the university's profits, retention, and performance standards. It can also ensure that employees are meeting their key performance indicators and also impact attrition, good and bad. Who is impacted by these standards? Our stakeholders. Stakeholders are students, alumni, our new referrals, also our employees. Employees want to promote and get raises. And the most important would be our stockholders, because our stockholders need to be compensated for their investment. The overall organization profits as the student base grows. New buildings are put up, curriculum development rolls out new degrees, and the university does expand. This allows for profits to be put back into our university and for tuition to stay low. There will not be a need to raise our tuition to incorporate this growth. By entrusting all counseling staff to the same knowledge, we are able to aid students from the application process to graduation. This allows for the overall organization to keep all shareholders happy. This is our students, alumni, employees, and those stockholders. When relationships share a common goal, it makes it easier to achieve success. Then this produces profit for our university. Thank you for watching.